For writing a first resume, one tip would be just get all of your ideas out for a very first draft, or even if you're updating a draft, get all your ideas out first. Don't worry about making it sound like a resume, and don't sweat every word and every sentence. Just get everything that you've done, every club, every experience, every part-time job out, either in a Word doc or on paper, and then you can go back and edit. What you'll do next is start to put similar things together. So all of your work experience grouped together, your education, it can be high school and college, grouped together. Any sort of volunteer community involvement, start to group it together. Then you'll start to see different headings that you can add. Here's 4 things that every experience needs. The title that you held or that you hold, the organization or the employer, the location of the organization or the employer, so that would be probably city and state, and the dates that you work there or that you're involved there. So APR stands for action plus project or problem plus result. So if you think about everything that we do, everything that I do in my job, that you do in your job, that you do during class projects, you're taking some sort of action, you're working on some sort of project or addressing some sort of problem or issue, and there's a result of this. So as you start to write about your experiences, and this is where you're starting to write and get into some editing, so now it's going to start to sound more like a resume. Think of any action you took. Think of anywhere you use the word worked, and think of what that work was. Did you collaborate? Did you delegate? Did you design? Did you lead? Did you analyze? And then get into the project that you worked on, and what was the result? What was the overall impact? One more tip. The number one thing that I probably see that many people make mistakes with in writing their resume is minimizing their experience. So if you focus on the results that you had, the impact that you had, did the actions you take help somebody in any way, help a project get completed? What did your work lead to? This is where you can focus on your results. This is what will help you show your impact and your achievement in your resume. Last tip. Now you can start formatting. So this is where you have a lot of your editing done, you've written a lot of content, you might still make changes, but now's where you can start to format, add in font sizes, spacing, and you make your document look really good. One big tip that I'll give you for formatting, start to think of what is the most important piece of your resume. What do you really want to stand out? You would most likely read a resume top to bottom. Most employers will too. So make sure that your key information is at the top.